Wow, that's pretty busy. Huge lion. Maybe it's lion to restroom. Wow, that's a lot. Alright, a lot of things to do outside in Minnesota. For example, going ice skating in Centennial Lake Park in Edina.
That line is to get ice skates for rent, and on the inside it's even longer when you go in there. This is a man-made little lake, and this is the mid area. It goes all the way down there, between those buildings, all the way down there, and far that way too. So it's a pretty big area where you can skate.
Alright, let's go do some flips, backflips, triple backflips. Centennial Lake Park offers so much variety of fun outside all year round. For example, in the winter times they offer a very good ice skating place with a nice warming up house with the concessions and restrooms inside. You can have a good quality time at Centennial Lake Park. Just look on this beautiful frozen lake. There is so much good memories will be left after just a few hours spent on beautiful ice. Just be careful. So today, Centennial Lake Park featured 10-acre man-made lake. It's over 1.5 mile paved pathways, landscaped grounds, seating areas, fountains, and miniature golf course, lawn bowling, and paddle boats at summertime. Of course, it's summer. This is so cool park to spend time with your family or by yourself. Just walk around and enjoy nature and weather outside. This community hub serves as a popular spot for community events, concerts, and recreational activities through the whole year. If we look back in history, construction was started in 1988 through 2000s, and Kraus Anderson Company was one of the main builder who was involved. This project was include not just the lake, it was a huge building project with residential and commercial offices around. Huge parking lots. So basically, this was a gravel pit which is turned to a beautiful park. Man-made. History started in 1913 from gravel pit, and in 1980s it started transforming to a beautiful Centennial Lake Park, what we know right now. Right now, Centennial Lake Park, it's a jewel of Edina City.
This is where you can park your car. And then a nice little restaurant right up there called Cucumbers. It's basically a salad bar buffet. And they have pizza and soup, ice cream, fruit, and other food. It's pretty good. But this line is to get ice skates. Never seen it this long.
Oh, it's me. I'm here. We was have a very good quality time at Centennial Lake Park every time when we came. No matter what the season is, no matter what the weather is, you can always find something to do over there. From mini golf and paddle boats to nice beautiful pictures for any occasions like wedding or birthdays or some family anniversary. That's a great park and great place to be outdoor. We love it so much. So Centennial Lake offer concession inside in a warming house. Prices like from $3 to $5. They got snacks, drinks, some hot chocolate. For hours of operation, Monday to Friday from 4 to 9 p.m. and Saturday, Sunday from 10 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. That's for skate rental and concession stand. Just for warming house hours will be noon to 9:30 from Monday to Friday, and Saturday, Sunday they will be open from 10 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. And if you wanna rent skates, you can do it, $10. If you wanna rent sled, $10, and if you wanna rent a trainer, that will be also $10 per hour. So if you wanna rent sled or a trainer, $10 per hour.
Okay, switch. Do you wanna switch?
And also, if you're so hungry and concession food is not enough for you, there are such many restaurants around. For example, very good restaurant Cucumber. That's a lot of variety of salads and other food, very delicious food. You can also visit Original Pancake House, Edina Grill, Casual Bistro, or Cheesecake Factory. There are so many restaurants around in Edina. Oh, I forgot about Tavern 23. That's also a really good one. I like those tuna steaks over there. Tuna tataki, I think. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you will be going outside and spend some quality time with your family and friends. Enjoy winter fun outdoor. Thank you for watching. I hope everybody have a good Christmas. Merry Christmas to everybody. See you guys later.